opener, and battery template. Before you begin working, it is important to take steps to avoid static electricity. Failure to do so can damage the device. For this project, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a number 1 or number 2, and a spudger. This is the bottom cover of the Chromebook 3120. There are 7 screws that need to be removed. There are generally 4 or 5 located around the device, and the remainder are located in the middle of the cover. Once the screws are removed, use your finger or your spudger and work around the edge, prying up the cover. Prior to any repair, it is important to remove the battery. This ensures that there is no power in the device while you are working on it. Notice the screws located here. You must also disconnect the battery from the motherboard here. To remove the LCD, lay the screen back flat. Using your spudger, pry up the rubber covers and expose the screws. Remove the screws and lift the bezel out. There are 4 screws located here. Remove them and tilt the screen forward. On the back, locate the LCD cable connected to the screen and remove the cable.